Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am a little busy.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you need help?
No, I am fine, thank you.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Let's eat.
Okay, let's go.
What is this?
This is a book.
Where is your house?
My house is near the park.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free.
What do you want to do?
I want to go for a walk.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Can I come with you?
Yes, sure.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
What is your favorite sport?
I like football.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What is your father's name?
His name is John.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Mary.
Where do you work?
I work in a school.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is raining.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it is very cold.
Do you have a jacket?
Yes, I have one.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I need water.
Let's sit here.
Okay, good idea.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you sad?
No, I am not sad.
What is your favorite movie?
I like Titanic.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite place?
I like the beach.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let's go.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
What do you need?
I need a glass of water.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Can you dance?
Yes, a little.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like them.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride.